Scene script. Imagine a classroom where every student receives a unique, tailor-made education designed specifically for their learning style. Can artificial intelligence make this a reality? This idea isn't as far-fetched as it might sound. We're talking about personalized learning. This is an approach to education that aims to customize learning for each student's strengths, needs, skills, and interests. Each student gets a learning plan that's tailored to their abilities and learning style. Now, where does AI come into the picture, you might ask? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is playing an increasingly prominent role in education. It's being used to automate administrative tasks, support teachers, and even customize learning materials. But the big question is, can AI truly contribute to personalized learning? AI has the potential to revolutionize personalized learning. It can analyze a student's performance in real time, adapt to their learning pace, and even predict future performance based on past data. This means that learning can be truly individualized, with each student receiving education that's perfectly suited to their needs. But it's not all roses. There are challenges to consider. For one, there's the issue of data privacy. How do we ensure that the personal data of students used by AI systems is kept safe? And then there's the question of equity. Can all students, regardless of their socioeconomic status, benefit from AI-powered personalized learning? Also, we can't ignore the human factor. Teachers play a crucial role in the learning process, and AI can't replace the emotional support and real-world context that teachers provide. So, while AI has the potential to enhance personalized learning, it can't do it alone. The intersection of AI and personalized learning is a fascinating one. It's a space where technology and education meet, and where the traditional classroom is being reimagined. So, how does AI actually contribute to personalized learning? Let's delve into some real-world examples. Consider the case of adaptive learning systems, where AI is already making a significant impact. One standout example of this is Dreambox Learning, a mathematics learning platform that leverages the power of artificial intelligence to offer a truly personalized learning experience. Dreambox. Learning isn't just a simple collection of online math lessons. It's an intelligent system that adapts to each student's individual needs and pace of learning, making every lesson truly unique. How does this work, you may wonder? The AI behind Dreambox. Learning constantly analyzes and interprets the data it collects from each student's interactions with the platform. It takes into account every click, every answer, every hesitation, and every error. This data is then used to dynamically adjust the content, sequence, and difficulty of the lessons, providing a learning path that's tailored to each student's unique learning style and pace. For instance, let's say a student consistently struggles with fractions. Dreambox Learning would recognize this pattern and adjust its lessons accordingly, offering more practice and support in this area until the student demonstrates understanding and improvement. On the other hand, if a student quickly masters a particular concept, the system would advance them to more challenging content, ensuring they're always engaged and challenged. But it's not just about pacing. Dreambox Learning also caters to different learning styles. Some students may learn best through visual representation, while others may prefer textual explanations or interactive activities. The AI takes note of these preferences and adjusts the presentation of the lessons accordingly, ensuring each student gets the most out of every lesson. Moreover, Dreambox Learning provides real-time feedback and encouragement, further motivating students and fostering a love for learning. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7, one that knows your strengths, weaknesses, and learning style inside out. Clearly, adaptive learning systems like Dreambox Learning are a prime example of AI's potential in personalized learning. But what about other applications? Let's now turn our attention to another crucial aspect of education: assessment and feedback. Imagine this scenario. A student just finished an essay and is about to submit it. But instead of waiting days or even weeks for feedback, they receive it instantly. How? With the help of artificial intelligence. Let's take a closer look at how AI is revolutionizing assessment and feedback through a case study of the popular tool, Grammarly. Grammarly is a writing assistant that uses AI to detect grammar, punctuation, and spelling errors. But it's more than just a spell checker. It provides personalized feedback by understanding the context of the sentence, the intended audience, and the writing style. For instance, when a student writes a formal essay, Grammarly can suggest more sophisticated vocabulary, or when they draft a casual email, it can recommend a more relaxed tone. The AI works in real time, allowing students to see their mistakes as they type. This immediate feedback helps them understand their errors and correct them on the spot. By doing so, students aren't just fixing their work, they're learning from their mistakes and improving their writing skills. Moreover, Grammarly caters to each student's unique learning pace. Some students may need more time to grasp certain grammar rules or to develop their writing style. With Grammarly, they can learn at their own speed without the pressure of keeping up with the rest of the class. The beauty of AI in assessment and feedback lies in its adaptability. It doesn't matter if a student is a native speaker or learning English as a second language. Grammarly adjusts its feedback based on the user's proficiency level, ensuring that every student receives the right amount of guidance. Furthermore, AI tools like Grammarly enhance the role of teachers. Instead of spending hours grading papers, teachers can focus on designing more engaging lessons, fostering critical thinking, and providing in-depth feedback on students' ideas and arguments. As we can see, AI can play a vital role in providing personalized feedback, further enhancing the learning experience. But what's the bigger picture? We've seen two powerful examples of AI in personalized learning, but what does the future hold? The future of AI in personalized learning is poised to be transformative. Imagine a world where every student has their own AI-powered tutor, capable of understanding their unique learning style, pace, and interests. This tutor would be able to provide real-time, personalized feedback and adapt content to suit the learner's needs. It's like having a personal concierge for education, but one that's infinitely patient and available around the clock. But the journey towards this future is not without its challenges. The success of AI in personalized learning hinges on the collection and analysis of large amounts of data. This raises important questions around data privacy and security. How do we ensure that sensitive student information is protected? How do we balance the need for personalized learning with the need to respect individual privacy? Moreover, there are ethical considerations to take into account. How do we prevent biases from being built into these AI systems? Just as human teachers can unintentionally favor certain students, AI systems can be biased based on the data they're trained on. It's critical that we develop these systems with fairness and equity in mind. Then there's the question of accessibility. While AI has the potential to revolutionize education, it's essential that these benefits are equally available to all students, regardless of their socioeconomic status or geographical location. The last thing we'd want is for AI to exacerbate existing educational inequalities. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of AI in personalized learning are too significant to ignore. With careful planning, transparent policies, and thoughtful implementation, AI can help us create a more effective, more inclusive, and more personalized education system. But as we move forward, let's not forget the importance of the human touch. While AI can provide personalized feedback and adapt to individual learning styles, it's not a replacement for the human connection that teachers provide. It's a tool to enhance, not replace, the human element in education. The future of AI in personalized learning is undoubtedly exciting, but it also raises important ethical and practical questions. So what have we learned about AI and personalized learning? We've seen that the intersection of these two domains is rapidly transforming the educational landscape. AI, with its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and create personalized learning paths, is making education more tailored to individual needs than ever before. We saw this in our first case study, where AI's role in adaptive learning systems was highlighted. By identifying a student's strengths and weaknesses, these systems can adapt content in real time, ensuring that each learner's unique needs are met. However, it's not just about delivering personalized content. AI is also revolutionizing the way we assess and provide feedback to students. As illustrated in our second case study, AI can provide immediate, targeted feedback, helping students to understand their mistakes and learn from them more effectively. This not only accelerates learning, but also fosters a positive learning environment where students are encouraged to take risks and learn from their errors. Yet, while the benefits of AI and personalized learning are clear, we also need to be aware of the challenges. The use of AI in education raises important ethical questions. For instance, how do we ensure that the data used by AI is accurate and unbiased? How do we protect students' privacy? And how do we prevent the misuse of AI technology? As we look to the future, we see a world where AI and personalized learning continue to evolve together. The potential for AI to revolutionize education is immense, but we must also be cognizant of the potential pitfalls. It's up to us, educators, technologists, policymakers, to navigate these challenges, ensuring that this technology truly serves every student. The key takeaway here is that AI and personalized learning have the potential to significantly enhance education. But this potential comes with responsibility. As we continue to explore the possibilities of AI in education, one thing is clear. The potential for personalized learning is vast, but it's up to us to navigate the challenges and ensure that this technology truly benefits every student.